everybody, my name is Erin. Welcome to today's video. Today we are opening her. I'm so fucking excited. It's Princess Shirahoshi. And she's glittery. It's sparkly. I'm so fucking excited. Let's go. Let's go. As always, I'm going to cut everything because I don't know how YouTube feels about knives in videos. So I'll be right back. Alright, so the tape is actually really simple. I should also probably not have that open. Safety first. Get an adult to help you, and if you are an adult, hope it goes for the best. Okay, anyway, box is open! Normal flap. She big. She's a little heavy too. Fuck. Huh? There's a lot of taping in. Okay. Oh, girl. Ooh. Nothing what's in there. Do you see this shit? It's metallic with a gradient. Fuck yeah. Well, piece by piece. But we'll go from the bottom up. So here's our base. Not bad. I like the little starfish. The little starfish is really cute. Okay. Next is the tail and most of her torso. Although they saved her boobs for the next piece. So this is like so pretty. The painting on the tail. Oh shit, y'all. You see this? You really can't like appreciate how metallic it is. But dude. Let's see, let's put her together. We be carefully but hard pressing down. That way it is safely in the base. And now it's time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Her. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see? Also, her boobs are like half her body. This one piece. What do you expect? Alright. I'm gonna put her down. Y'all, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, I know I say that a lot and I'm not even Christian, but like, dude. Oh, she's exciting. She's so pretty. Her sculpt is really clean. It's good painting. I really like what they did with the details. Her hair has a fucking gradient. It's gorgeous. Oh my god. And the gold is like so pretty and perfect. This is so worth working for. Oh, she's gorgeous. I paid $45 for her, probably a little too much, but it's from a local store and I know the owner. And I think that having $45 from me is okay. But yeah, look how fucking pretty she is! Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to spend it with silly little old me yelling about an action figure. I hope you have a wonderful day, or night, whichever it is for you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!